Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into tonight's video newsletter, I wanted to cover a new pick with you, but I wanted to first look at a pick that we were covering in the room this morning and the results that it's provided here after earnings. So the study that I want to focus on with you here is the anchored VWAP. You can find that here in TradingView as an included indicator, but I found it surprisingly simple and still very helpful. And as we were discussing this particular pattern, it was interesting to see that anchors from the swing high and from the swing low would have us thinking that this name had the potential to be a little more bullish. You see how when you get the gap above, that's kind of the first heads up that things are turning more bullish for this name. Then you make this little bit of a run, and after a correction of a few days, then you can anchor to that fresh new swing high. And you see how that market stayed right under that until today? What you're looking for is when you clear this area that is plotted as resistance based off the previous swing high, well, then it is time to go with the squeeze. I think in almost one of these that I bring you on YouTube, I tell you the foundation of my setups are the squeeze, because we're looking for moments in time that a stock may actually move, right? Instead of being choppy like they can be so much, these signals do help you find, directional takes. So we covered all of that again this morning. This is where we closed on Thursday. This is where we're called in the extended session. All right, so that's a serious move. It's up $30. And this is just some of the best stuff I've found lately. And I believe it is a testament or hopefully a copycat move of what I want you to see here in CSCO. Right, so really these lower anchor points are not relevant to current price, but if we zoom in on just what's unfolded through here, to me this looks like exactly the same situation, because being above here, but below here, that is the pinching that occurs, and when that compression does finally resolve, as the squeeze usually helps you find, I think this one at least has some bullish opportunity. So I don't know if it's going to do it into earnings or if it's going to take the actual numbers to be up. Obviously, it does not have to work. But if you see the example and the analysis in Reddit, I think you can take that here into CSCO, and I think it'll help you find some good stocks. But I hope you find it helpful. Have a great rest of your night, and I hope to see you in the chat room tomorrow. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. And if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.